friends, let's do something fun. We're going to read this interactive book and I want you to play along with me. It's called Press Here. You ready to play with me? All right, let's go. Ready? It says, press here. Okay, press here with me and turn the page. Okay, let's turn the page. Great. Now press the yellow dot again. Okay, here's one, here's two. Perfect. Rub the dot on the left gently. Okay, so here's the dot on the left. Let's gently rub it. Okay. Well done. And now the one on the right. Gently. Okay, do it with me. Gently rub. Okay, we're done with that. Fabulous. 5 quick taps on the yellow. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. And 5 taps on the red. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think I see where this is going. Yep. And finally, 5 taps on the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job. Now what do we do? Perfect. Try shaking the book just a little bit, okay? Let's do it. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, I think that's good. Not bad. Oh, but maybe a little bit harder. Okay, let's do it. Shake, 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 shake. I hope that was hard enough. There, well done. Now tilt the page to the left just to see what happens. Okay. Okay, I've done that. Now what do we do? And then to the right, a little more. Okay. Okay, we tilted to the right this time. Excellent. Shake the book one more time just to get everything back in order. Okay? Shake, 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 shake. Done. Interesting. Try pressing down really hard on all the yellow dots. Okay, I need your help here. Ready? Press hard. Press hard. Press hard. Press hard and press hard. Not bad. Shake them up a little. Okay, we'll just shake them up a little bit. The whole thing turned black. Pretty, isn't it? Try blowing on them to get rid of the black. Okay, let's blow. Okay, excellent. Oh, maybe a little bit harder? Okay, let's blow a little bit harder now. Okay, I hope that was hard enough. Oh, oops. That might have been a little bit too hard. Stand the book up straight to make those dots drop down again. Okay, let's do it. There. Now what? Did that work? Let's find out. Oh, there you go. That's perfect. Now clap your hands once. Okay, let's clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Was that good enough? Oh, whoa. Okay, clap twice. Very good. Whoa, they're getting bigger. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, are they going to get even bigger? Oh my goodness, more. Okay, should we do 4 times? Let's do 5. 5 claps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder what's going to happen. Oh, too loud. Quick, press the white dot. Okay, press with me. Okay. Are they normal now? Oh, good. Bravo. Want to do it all over again? Back to the beginning, this way. If you want to do it with me, just hit play again. Thank you. This was so much fun. I'll see you friends next time.